Hey, I think you guys are very much familiar with the like button. Maybe you're on right now watching this video. Now, how many times have you clicked the like button? Probably a ton of time or more, am I right? Now, maybe you want to click the like button for this video. But what if I told you that we could get paid every time we could hit the like button? And get this, there's actually a tool out there that will give us free actual money every time we click on the like button. As always in the channel, I will show you the step-by-step method on how to do this. Step 1. Create a free account. Step number 2. Like a YouTube video. And step number 3. Collect your earnings. You can do this again and again. It's pretty amazing. No, stay until the end of the video because I will be showing you how you can earn sweet bucks than anyone else using another free tool that is available worldwide that will do everything into autopilot. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first out how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Alright, now this method actually works and thousands of people from all over the world are already doing this and earning money with this method. You can make money today if you take action by liking a YouTube video, but this isn't strictly for YouTube videos. You can do this on Facebook, Instagram, and other social media platforms. You can cash out the money that you earn on this website via PayPal. This is the tool that we're going to use today. This is a tool that will help us earn sweet bucks on autopilot and make our life a lot easier. The name of the website is followfast.com. This is where we can earn a lot of money by liking YouTube videos, Facebook videos, and other videos from other social media platforms. You can read it here where it says you can earn money by liking other people's pages. And you can also advertise your own page on this website. Now, advertising your own page is optional because we're here to earn money and not to spend any. As you can see here, they have over 1 million likes and views from over 100,000 people from all over the world. So, how does this website work? It's actually super simple. First, you need to join Follow Fast for 100% free. Yep, that's right. You don't need to invest at all to get started or going to view pages from YouTube, Facebook, and other social media platforms and give them likes. And then you're given an option to use your earnings to advertise your own page. Or you can also cash out your earnings. I will show you exactly how to do that later on. As you see here, they have been established for a long time. Now that just shows that this website is legit and working. The next thing that I want you to do is to click this payout button right here. You're then going to land on this page. You can see here that there are many people from all over the world that cash out using this website. You can even see here the amount of money that they cash out. There are many different payment options that are available worldwide, but you can use them in cashing out your earnings. Now, this is just for the first page. There are many pages here for payment proof that prove that this website is paying you real money. The next thing that we're going to do right now is to go to this website. Then click on this join button right here. Then you're going to land on this page where you can input your username and password, and then just retype that password. Now the website will automatically detect your country. Now when you're done with all that, just click on this join button right here. Now, this is how it will look like if you log into your account. This section right here is where you can track your earnings. This will be updated every time you will earn points. This website also has daily bonuses where you can earn extra points every single day. When you click on the daily bonus, you can see here that you can get feedback every single day. You can also do some tasks to collect those extra points. Another thing about this website is that you also actually earn extra points for every hour that you use this website. Now that's a really great feature because you're earning free points without doing anything. Now when you click on the cash button right here, you can see here that they're accepting different payment methods. Now if you want to use PayPal, you're going to convert that money using magneticexchange.com. You can see here below the explanation on how to do it. Just go on here and read more about how to cash out your earnings to start earning money by just YouTube lights. I want you to click on this little icon right here, and it will take you to another page where you can earn the potential money that you can get every time you will like a video. And when you scroll down below, you can load more videos as well. There are many videos that you can like on this website, so don't worry about having a shortage of videos to like. I will show you a real-life example right now. Now say, for example, this one right here. Just click on the like button and it will take you to YouTube where you can watch it and like it. It's all plain and simple, really. Just click on the like video, then wait for a few seconds so that the earnings will be credited to your account. It's that easy. That is pretty simple and very easy to do. You can do it again and again. Just go on here and just repeat what you did. You can also go to Instagram and Twitter to earn more money with this website. If you want to earn more money with this website, I want you to listen to this and pay attention, because this is very important. Alright, moving along the video. Now I want you to hover your mouse over here and click on this referral link, and it will take you over to the referral page. This website has a very great referral program that enables you to earn more money than anyone else. I want you to grab and copy this link that you see on your screen. You can send a lot of people to this link and let them sign up. And when they earn some points, you earn points as well. And that is your commission. You can read here more below about this. Now I will show you another tool where we can get free people to sign up on your referral link. If someone that you referred earns $1,000, then you're going to get $100 passively without doing any of the work. Just copy this referral link and go to this platform that I will be showing you as a bonus. So it's a good thing that you stuck around yet, because this is a platform where we can get a lot of people to sign up on your referral link. This new social media platform is called Parler.com. Now, according to SimilarWeb.com, this website is visited by millions and millions of people from all over the world. You can see here that every month there are over 1 million people who have visited this website. A lot of people that are coming to this website are from top-tier countries like the United States and the United Kingdom. All you have to do is to go over to this website. The best thing about Parler.com is that you don't need any followers to get started. And you can be a complete beginner to do this. Just publish your affiliate link once on this website and you're good to go. That's how you're going to earn sweet bucks with this method. Well, there you have it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel as always. I'll see you in the next video.